Love carbs but hate the belly fat? Good news, you don't have to give up bread, pasta, or rice to lose weight. You just need to swap them smartly. Today, I'll share 7 easy carb swaps that keep your blood sugar stable, control hunger, and help you burn fat without feeling deprived. Welcome to Eat Fit Repeat, your go-to channel for losing weight through smarter food choices, not crash diets. Carbs are not the enemy, but refined carbs? They spike insulin, cause cravings, and store fat fast. Let's fix that with simple swaps you can start today. 1. White bread. Right pointing arrow. Sprouted grain bread. White bread is stripped of nutrients and fiber. Sprouted grain bread is richer in protein, vitamins, and fiber, keeping you full longer and avoiding sugar crashes. Try Ezekiel bread, toasted with avocado or almond butter. 2. White rice. Right pointing arrow. Cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice has 1/4 the calories and almost no carbs, plus it's rich in antioxidants. It takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with, making it perfect for stir-fries or burrito bowls. 3. Regular pasta. Right pointing arrow. Chickpea or lentil pasta. Legume-based pasta has double the protein and triple the fiber of white pasta, which means you'll feel full on fewer calories. Bonus: it's gluten-free and supports steady blood sugar. 4. Potato chips. Right pointing arrow. Air popped popcorn. Potato chips are fried, high-calorie, and addictive. Popcorn, without butter and heavy salt, is a low-calorie, high-volume snack that satisfies your crunch craving. Add nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the fat. 5. Flour tortillas. Right pointing arrow. Lettuce wraps are low-carb tortillas. Flour tortillas can pack 200+ calories each. Switch to large lettuce leaves or low-carb tortillas to cut calories while still enjoying tacos, wraps, and burritos. 6. Sugary breakfast cereal. Right pointing arrow. Overnight oat cereal is loaded with added sugars that spike insulin early in the day. Overnight oats with chia seeds, almond milk, and berries offer fiber, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbs to keep you satisfied. 7. Mashed potatoes. Right pointing arrow. Mashed sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic impact and are packed with vitamin A, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they have a naturally sweet flavor, no need for extra butter or sugar. Carb swap recap. Let's recap. White bread. Right pointing arrow. Sprouted grain bread. White rice. Right pointing arrow. Cauliflower rice. Regular pasta. Right pointing arrow. Chickpea, lentil pasta. Potato chips. Right pointing arrow. Popcorn. Tortillas. Right pointing arrow. Lettuce wraps, low-carb tortillas. Sugary cereal. Right pointing arrow. Overnight oats. Mashed potatoes. Right pointing arrow. Mashed sweet potatoes. Small swaps equals big fat loss results. You don't need to ditch carbs to lose weight, you just need better carbs. Try even 3 of these swaps for a week and watch your cravings disappear. Comment below. Which swap will you try first? And if you want my complete fat loss meal swap guide, grab the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real food weight loss tips.